Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina in the Hair Lounge. You may have just recently watched my application of the Standout Lash, and now you might be wondering, how in the heck do you take those off? Because you saw how strong of a hold these things have. Look at this. So you want to know how to take these off. It's super, super easy, but you still want to be very, very gentle with your lashes. Again, these ones are the Standout Beauty, and they're beautiful collection, which is the medium length. I use the black dual technology liner with this, and so it's magnetic and adhesive. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fingernail and go on that very edge of that lash, and you are gonna gently lift that lash up and off. I mean, look at the difference of a lash and not a lash. You can see why I like eyelashes. But that's all you do. And then always make sure you're putting that back inside your box. So then that way you are not losing those lashes. Same thing with this other one. You're just gonna go ahead and peel it right off. And we're gonna put it back in the box. Always put them back in the box because these lashes, each individual lash will last you 20 to 30 wears. So you want to take care of them and put them right back in the box so that way your dog doesn't eat them, because I have had clients say that they've had their dogs eat their lashes. And then this makeup remover is amazing. This is also going to help get that adhesive off, and you can also use it to get any of the other makeup off of your eyes. All you do, squirt it right on your actual eyelid, and then you're gonna rub that line off. So let's do that together. Okay, here you go. Make sure you close your eyes. You do not use this on your actual lashes. It is just for the eyeliner or the makeup on your eyes, and it's really good to get off waterproof mascara too. So you ready for this? Then you do want to let it sit on for 20 seconds. So we're gonna sit here and be real awkward for a second. And you know what? Now is a great time to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so yet already. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so what I personally like to do is I like to take my finger and then I will rub that product into that line. Like I said, it's gonna take off my waterproof mascara, but you wanna just make sure you just kind of rub gently, but really kind of get it right where that line is going to be. And I know I am probably getting black all over my face, but that is okay. I'm here to take one for the team. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other eye. One nice thing, it does not have a smell, and it is super soft and kind of velvety on your skin. And so it feels really, really good whenever you are rubbing your eye. I just really kind of make sure I rub it in. You can also take a cotton swab if you want to really rub that line, but I will then take a towel and just gently rub my eye and my eyelashes just to really help remove all of that product. Like I said, it's a makeup remover, so you can spray this all over your face. Like my lipstick, I'd be able to spray that on, and it would really help remove any kind of staining, any like lip stains that are super hard to get off. It takes all that off really, really well. See, look at that. No more black liner, and now I'm ready for, I mean, it's not bedtime, but now I'd be ready to go to sleep after I took off the rest of my makeup. But it's super, super soft and very gentle. It does not irritate your eyes, and that's all you have to do is use our Instalash eraser, and that's what's going to remove that eyeliner. The eyeliner is hard to get off. A lot of people use coconut oil, but it doesn't really remove it very well. So this stuff is magic, just like it says. It is a Instalash eraser. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're able to remove that eyeliner off your eyes if you use our Standout Lash. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button or give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.